There is nothing worse than a beautiful lasagna that is perfect on the edges but ice cold in the center. At Wade Media Labs, we decided to find out why. Ceramic is often praised for heat retention, but it's notorious for poor conductivity. We wanted to see if the artisanal label actually means even cooking in a real-world workshop. We baked 12 identical lasagnas in leading ceramic dishes at 375 degrees. Using high-precision digital thermocouples, we mapped the core temperature at 9 distinct points throughout the baking cycle. The results were conclusive. 8 out of the 12 dishes created significant cold spots. We measured temperature variances of up to 20 degrees between the edges and the absolute center. It comes down to thermal physics. Poor conductivity means heat is trapped at the surface, preventing it from reaching the core. Your edge is overcooked while your center stalls. Only 3 ceramic models completed the audit with a truly uniform core temperature. These winners utilized optimized wall thickness and high-density material to ensure consistent, even heat distribution. Don't trust a glaze to deliver a perfect dinner. In the workshop of the kitchen, material science beats aesthetics. See the full thermal maps, the temperature logs, and our 3 uniform winners at cookwarescout.com. Look for the ceramic thermal audit.